Hey guys, I'm Nicholas, and we are here at Richmond. The Federated Auto Parts 400. The championship is coming soon, guys. So yeah, on the pole today is Eric Jones. There'll be 6 laps here at Richmond. Gonna be dirt track. Green, green, green. Let's go racing, boys. Oh, car. Kyle Busch was starting last. That's sad. See, there's like 2 cars fighting for last place. 5 to go at the line. 5 to go. But Kyle Busch is caught up with the rest of the pack. 5 to go. 5 to... Okay, it'll be... Oh, that doesn't count! Eric Jones is not in the race anymore. Someone got flung. Oh, another car gets flung. All the cars that get flung are not in the lead. Paul Menard is in the lead. I mean, Matt DiBenedetto. Sorry. Matt DiBenedetto's in the lead. 3 to go. 3 to go. I don't care if it... was supposed to... No, it's 3 to go. Here we go. Matt DiBenedetto's in the lead, followed by the 52. And Ty Dillon, Brendan Poole, and Chris Buescher. Oh, Ty Dillon's in the lead! Ty Dillon! 2 to go! Ty Dillon might win his first race of the season. No, but he gets passed by the 52. 52's in the lead. Wait. Oh, that car doesn't count, whoever that was flung. Jimmy Johnson was flung. Here we go, Ty Dillon. He could win his first race here, and he can lock himself in. But I think 52 wins at Richmond. Let's see if Ty Dillon would have won if we give him another lap. Ty Dillon would have won. So yeah, there we go, the cars. Wow. The 52 wins his first race of the season. Ty Dillon gets second. Oh, that's sad. He never wins. Yeah, I hope I did it. If it's not next year. Bye. That was the Federated Auto Parts 400.